Hey guys, Jake here, back with another video. Today I will be showing you how to make your own profile picture with your own name or your YouTube name on it. First, I'm just now doing I already did the video, but now I'm on the editing section and I'm putting my voice on iMovie to it. So you guys will hear this from now on. And I'm gonna wait till the screen comes up or you guys can just skip a little 5 seconds. I'm gonna wait here till the screen comes up. You guys can skip too. And let me wait. Oh, here it comes. You don't have to skip anymore. Okay, so first you go to Safari or Google. And then you go find your background, of course. I'm gonna search up black. I'm gonna search up black background. You can search any background you want, but I'm gonna search up black. Any kind of background, also rainbow background. Oh, I'm spelling, but I don't spell good. Okay, so now I'm gonna search that, and then here we are. So, images. Going to images. And let me see which one I want. There is none. Oh, sad there's none. But I'm gonna choose creative. Oh, there isn't. Sadly, there isn't so much backgrounds. Okay. So let me see here. Which one should I pick? I mean, this one. No, that doesn't really fit me. I'm not gonna put this in my profile picture, YouTube profile picture. I mean, yeah, I am, but okay, never mind. That just got really confusing. So let me pick a background. I'm gonna let me see, black and white, maybe, just maybe. Let me see, creative. I took away black and white. This one is glitched or something, bugged or glitched. So I'm gonna search black wooden background. So which one? Let me see here. Top one? Yeah, top one. The first one I see is the first one I pick. Okay, so go out. No, wait. Okay, never mind. You go out and then you go to this app called Fonto. You can download it in the App Store. Okay, so now when you've downloaded it, you can go inside. And then right down there it says it's a little photo thingy, and then it says photo albums. Click that, photo albums, and when you click that, take the background image that you saved. Okay, I'm gonna pick that just right there. Okay, so now you gotta hold the screen, and then you gotta let go. Okay, there, and it says add text, so click that, and then you can add your real life name or your YouTube channel name. So I'm gonna put my real life name. Oh, it doesn't matter which font. You can also choose font. So let me see here. I'm gonna choose this one maybe. Yeah, this one looks cool. And then I'm gonna make it bigger. Oh, not that big. That is way too big. I recommend this size, 250. Recommend that size. Then I can go to style, click that, and then I can go, you can change the color also. But I'm gonna go to style first. And click that alpha, and then you gotta, oh, yes, like that, and then you can have shadow behind your text. I forgot. I gotta color it. I'm gonna color it, black. Yeah. Of course, black, white, red, blue, my favorite colors. So, you're essentially done here. I mean, technically you're done here. So yeah, and then you click that thingy right down in the corner, in the right down corner. Click that thingy where it's like a little, I don't know what it is, but you click that right there, and then this will come up. Boom. And then you click save image. And for proof, oh god dang it. Why? Just stop it, ads. And for proof, I'm actually gonna show you. So let's go to photos, and there it is. And now I'm gonna go to YouTube and put it on. Put it on my profile picture and see how it looks. So yeah. My channel, let's go there. And then you click that, and you click the round thingy where it's like a camera, and then you click choose from your photos. And when you click that here, when you've clicked that, choose from your photos, this will come up, all your photos like. And then click all photos, and then click your profile picture. And then you can go zoom in, zoom out, do whatever you want. And here we go. Let me see. That doesn't look bad actually. That's cool. I'm being honest right now. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Bye bye guys.